Looking for the best hard floor steam mops in 2026? In this video, we review and compare top steam mops for tile, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl floors. We test steam power, heat up time, water tank capacity, maneuverability, and real-world cleaning results. If you want a chemical-free way to remove dirt, stains, and bacteria, this guide will help you choose the right steam mop. Number 3. The Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop Cleaner 20393 is a smart solution for effortless deep cleaning on sealed hard floors. Designed to take the strain out of traditional mopping, this machine uses powered spinning pads to scrub away dirt and sticky messes while you simply guide it across the floor. One of the standout features is its whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for homes with kids, pets, or anyone who prefers a peaceful cleaning experience. The lightweight body and smooth swivel steering allow the SpinWave to glide easily around furniture, baseboards, and tight corners. Users often describe it as feeling like it floats over the floor, reducing strain on the back and arms. The on-demand spray trigger gives you full control over how much cleaning solution is used, preventing oversaturation and making it safe for sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and linoleum. A little solution goes a long way, and the reservoir lasts through multiple rooms without frequent refills. Bissell includes 6 reusable, machine-washable mop pads, 4 soft touch pads for delicate hardwoods, and 2 scrubby pads for tougher messes. These pads are gentle yet effective, leaving floors clean with no sticky residue. Overall, the Bissell SpinWave is a reliable, easy-to-use mop that delivers excellent results with minimal effort, making it a great choice for regular maintenance and occasional deep cleaning in 2026. Number 2. The Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster Technology S8201 is a powerful all-in-one hard floor steam mop designed to deliver deep cleaning with minimal effort. By combining high-pressure steam with rotating scrub pads and targeted steam blaster bursts, this mop removes up to 2 times more stuck-on stains than traditional steam mops using only water. One of its biggest advantages is the Steam Blaster feature, which releases a concentrated burst of steam at the push of a button to tackle stubborn spots like dried spills or sticky residue. The automatic scrubbing mop head, delivering over 150 scrubs per minute, allows the mop to glide smoothly across floors while doing the hard work for you. This makes it especially helpful for users who struggle with bending, kneeling, or heavy lifting. The Shark S8201 offers 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep, so you can adjust cleaning power based on the mess. Built-in LED headlights improve visibility, helping you spot dust and debris in corners and under furniture. The removable water tank provides longer cleaning sessions without constant refills, and the lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and store. Safe for all sealed hard floors including hardwood, tile, marble, vinyl, and laminate. This mop also sanitizes by removing 99.9% of common household bacteria. Overall, the Shark Steam and Scrub delivers excellent cleaning results, comfort, and convenience, making it a standout steam mop choice for 2026. Number 1. The Bojuk Scrub and Steam Mop with LED headlights is an all-in-one hard floor cleaner designed for deep, effortless cleaning without chemicals. Combining high-temperature steam with dual rotating scrub pads spinning at 230 revolutions per minute, this mop tackles stubborn dirt and dried-on stains far more effectively than standard steam mops, without forcing you onto your hands and knees. One of its standout features is the self-propelled design, which gently moves the mop forward and reduces arm fatigue, making it ideal for large spaces. The swivel steering allows smooth movement around furniture, toilets, and tight corners, while the LED headlights reveal hidden crumbs, dust, and pet hair under cabinets and furniture. The Bojuk mop is safe for a wide range of surfaces, including hardwood, tile, vinyl, laminate, marble, and stone. Users with textured or porous floors, like slate, report excellent results, noting that steam-only cleaning pulls dirt from deep grooves while protecting the floor finish. The 15.2-ounce XL water tank lets you clean entire rooms without constant refilling and the tap-to-steam system keeps operations simple and streak-free. Included are 6 durable, washable scrubbing pads, making long-term maintenance affordable and convenient. While the pads need time to air dry after washing, performance more than makes up for it. Overall, the Bojack Scrub and Steam Mop is a powerful, time-saving solution for busy households seeking cleaner floors, less effort, and professional-level results in 2026. That's it for our hard floor steam mops review in 2026. If this video helped you find the right steam mop for your home, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest home appliance reviews. Product links and updates are in the description below. Share your experience or questions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.